In this video, you'll learn how to fund a real estate IRA with an existing 401k to invest in the property of your choice. A real estate IRA combines the potential appreciation of real estate with the tax advantage of an IRA. At Broad Financial, our real estate IRA also gives you checkbook control so you can write checks and send wires for everyday transactions involving your property. With a real estate IRA, you can invest your retirement funds directly into real estate, including multifamily homes, commercial property, raw land, fix and flips, tax liens, and more. How do you fund a real estate IRA? If you have an existing 401k, you can opt to roll over some or all of your 401k funds into your real estate IRA. You will start the process by completing Broad Financial's easy online application. Simultaneously, you'll open your real estate IRA with our sister company and IRA custodian, Madison Trust. Next, to initiate the rollover, contact your current plan administrator and complete the necessary paperwork. Your 401k funds will then be rolled over into your newly opened real estate IRA. We'll then assist you in setting up an LLC or trust, whichever one you choose for your IRA. Lastly, you'll open a checking account in the name of your real estate IRA LLC or trust. You will instruct Madison Trust to fund your real estate IRA's checking account. You can then simply write a check or send a wire from your checking account to place your investment. In under 2 weeks, you can be on your way to using your 401k funds for tax-advantaged real estate investing. Ready to get started? Call us today.